Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be solving the best time to buy and sell a stock LeetCode 121 question using TypeScript. Let's try to understand the question first. It says you are given an array prices where price is high is the price of a given stock on the ith day. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. Return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profits, return zero. Looking at this example, prices. If you look at this array, the lowest price is 1 and the day to sell, which is the second day, right? This is day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. So this is the second day. We are buying at 1. We need to sell towards the right. So the maximum price we can sell is on day 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 6. We cannot buy at day 2, 1, and sell at day 1. So we have to buy at day 1 and sell at day 5. So the maximum profit in this example will now be 6 minus 1, which is 5. Okay, it's already written here. Buy on day 2, price is equals to 1, and sell on day 5, price is equals to 6. Example 2 says the price it's in descending order, right? 76431. So there will be no maximum profit because the minimum price is 1. There's no day to sell after 1. So the output will be 0. The question says if you cannot achieve any profits, just return 0. In this case, no transaction even happened because you bought at 1. There's no other day to sell, right? So let's get into the code. The first thing I want us to do is to keep track of the minimum price and the maximum profit. So let's initialize the minimum price to be the first day. No, the first day, which is price 0, right? And then let's initialize the maximum profit to be 0. Let max profit equals 0. So we are assuming that the minimum price is the first day because we are trying to keep track of the lowest price, and then it's what the only price we know so far, we have seen so far. So it will be the first price. And then we are initializing maximum profit to 0 because we want it to store the maximum profit we have found. So let's now look through the array to calculate the profits and to update the prices, both the minimum price and the maximum profit. So let's do for I is equals to 1, I is less than I, prices dot length, I plus plus. We're starting from the second day. Sorry, we're going to start from 1, which is the second day, because we already have the 0 as the day 1 as the minimum price. Let me declare this variable. So it's let I equals 1. So now we need to first, or when looking through this array, the first thing we need to do is to keep track of the current price. On this day where I is 1 now, the current price will be equals to the price on that day. For example, this day when I is 1, the current price will be the price on that day, which is price 1, the day 2, which is 1. When the loops goes the second time, I is equals to 2, the current price will be 5. So now we need to check the profits, compare this price to the minimum price to get the profits, if we're going to make profit or not. So profit, um, this is going to, let's, yeah. let profit equals current price minus minimum price. So this will give us the profit on the day. So profit is current price minus minimum price. Now we now need to update the maximum profit. Compare this max profit and this profit. Whichever is higher, we save it here. So now let's update the value of max profit. So max profit will now be the maximum. We use max.floor to compare the values. So we have profit and then we have max profit. Then finally, we need to update the value of minimum price to be, because here what we did was to store the value of the first day, right, as the minimum price. If the value of the second day is the minimum price, we need to be able to update the minimum price to contain the minimum value we find. So we use math.main to store the minimum price. So we say um so the minimum price will now be the minimum between current price and the maximum price. Now we've updated the value of both minimum and maximum price. The question asks us to return the maximum profit we can make. So we return max profit. This is one of the most efficient ways to solve this problem in TypeScript. Let's run it to confirm if our code is working. Cannot find. Oh, it's prices. Yes. How am I using this? It's prices, sir. Prices. Is there any other place? Okay. Max minimum price is minus main price. I wrote max price instead of main price. This is what we're comparing. So we're updating the value to the lowest between this and this. So I think everything should be fine now. Yes, it's working. Let's submit to see how fast it is compared to other people's answer. The algorithm is fast and it beats 97% solution. If you find this video helpful, please let me know in the comment section. If you have any suggestions or tips or questions for future videos, I would appreciate it if you can also leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.